Good morning, Mr. Massimo, Mr. Simply, more 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 simply. David, it's not in David Lynch. It's October 13, 2024. This is Sunday in Naples. Totally. At the moment it's clear but also cloudy sky, and there is I think going to a mostly cloudy sky, and at the moment also seems to be now it's late morning, practically 11 and a few minutes. 21 and 6 Fahrenheit, 22 Celsius, and this means this is really soft, quindi this is Jupiter, and soft it's classically that is also for the autumn but also spring period, since the first weather person of 3 years ago, as Rapson, I don't remember, I think on Bori, which my videos, I suppose, indeed I'm sure, but whether as it is things for the team, and I didn't also do the same operation, but identical operation, also for the winter and summer. For the winter, in fact, it was adjective cold, while for the summer adjective hot. Se sono notate also in these cases, a classification, and so as regards the case, it rests for me, OS, I think to see if you could do that. Absolutely incompleting, yes, being this agrees, however, behind the atmosphere, and this degrees are good, considering the period here. Repeat at rest for me, I don't know if also it's the same for the other people. Still, in fact, about the atmosphere, still about the atmosphere. Today I can't see something that's just for me, but it's my bed, going to bed and factory bakery and some other things in this. So first no driving an hour and 50 minutes. So first no driving 50 minutes, I think it's probably so different from this. I repeat just for 71 and 6 Fahrenheit, 22 Celsius. The really important in the atmosphere today, yeah, so beautiful. Non scaso, adesso se ne entriamo tutti si riempiono così a tre volte. Non farò fare 6 hours, no, almost 8 hours, per esempio la mezza, penso che sia come difficile, quella, poi sarà esatto, si vuole essere una fanno meglio, quindi non lo stesso, insomma, non sto tutto ragazzi, ma non so se per bench aspetta. Met optimisme voor mij in general. Wat is deze shot? Is met mij in shot. Als ik een shot, sim, io mi hanno fatto solo di esempio, si mette in shot, si mette in shot. Fare lì, fa una mia che mi inject, siamo forti, PG, 6 così si chiede meglio in shot. Va, questi non dobbiamo fare questo. E se ne vede che sono esiste, sono fatto male sul sito, insomma scherzo. E fare lì, io poi uno mi ha detto, inizio. E li metto come porzetto, si fa ricordi, ci lasciamo stretto, si sta lì, factory breakfast, affettati, famiglia, e starto detto, affettati su lì. Fra lui, sempre fare che c'è già solo in mezzo, finché ora si mette su lascia. Batta, portati che ci vuole sempre attenzione, non so di fortuna, so, è meglio, so io non so se, io non so se. Ecco fa, sono, no, sweeting the forward. Absolutely. sì, tomorrow I suppose if I don't die. Fuck me, why I don't know what to call that now, we'll see.